welcome to Genius Connect. Please subscribe and share.
Hello everyone, I'm Manisha Kiramchandani, faculty at Jai International School. Today I'm here to explain you about the topic growing up as boys and girls, unpacking gender. What is gender? Is gender an identity? Certainly gender is not a choice. But gender is shaped, molded in young new minds, and strings are attached with children's joy and tells them to dance as society guides them. No matter girl or boy, we are born into rules. Society tells us what behavior is acceptable around us. Society assigns us various rules, keeping in mind that we are going to grow as men and women respectively. Assigning of the role begins at a very young age. For instance, selecting toys like Barbie dolls and car, favorite color, pink and blue. And as we grow up, it is with our career, doctor and engineers. This is true in the case of the domestic help. We know that most of the domestic workers are women. They have to work for such long hours and are paid with less wages. Sometimes they are asked to carry out the physical tasks which requires a lot of strength and are very much time consuming. But still, despite of this strenuous housework, women are less valued than the men. The lack of value which is attached with the women in the society is the larger part of inequality which exists around us. As we know that many a times for the same work as men or sometimes even for the greater work, women are not paid with the right pay. When we talk about the value in the household or we talk about the economic transactions in the professional world, we have certain examples like Key and Come, which shows us the role reversal, which changes the mindset of the people at a certain extent. We have actresses like Deepika Padukone, who earns way much more than the male leading actresses in the movies. Yes, we are changing. The inequalities can be dealt with two ways, by changing the mindset and by taking the actions. By taking the actions, I mean that actions are required at the two places, within the household and at the level of the government as well. As we know that equality is an important part of our constitution, government, that's why, thinks to reduce the discrimination which happens between men and women. Government acknowledges the domestic work and caregiving activities of the women and thinks that yes, they are directly have a large impact on the woman's life. For example, at a lower age, whether girls get to school or not, whether a woman who is working at the same time can send her children to school or not, keeping in mind all this above problems, government has come up with a rule that all the organization, big or small, should have a crèche facilities, those who have more than 30 women workers. Crèche. What is crèche now? Crèche is a nursery which takes care of the babies and young children while their parents are working. Because of this provision, many women can come out of their homes and work freely around us. As per the World Economic Forum, we stand in the gender gap ranking at 108 rank out of 149 countries. It is a major highlight because it shows us the immense gap opportunities there between the men and women comparatively. As per the Indian social structure in the earlier times, women were neglected in so many parts like health, education, decision making, financial independence and so on. Another major reason for the discriminatory behavior towards the women in India is the dowry system. Yes, dowry system in the marriages. Most of the families think because of this reason that son preference is way much better than the girl because they think that girls are burden on them. Girls are refrained from secondary educations and sometimes are not provided with the correct pay and job opportunities around us. As we know in this 21st century also, the gender of women is considered to be house managing activities. Sometimes they have to leave their leadership roles, offices because of the home commitments, which is very uncommon with the men. At last, I want to just tell you that our global community has come a long way to eliminate gender discrimination, but we still have a far way to go. Thank you and keep learning.
I hope you all would have enjoyed this video. Subscribe to Genius Connect and put on the notification to receive more such videos. Like and share this video too. Thanks for watching.